Peace y'all, I am ICC and today I'm going to show you how to use your PlayStation 1 and PlayStation 2 controllers on a PS4, Xbox One, PS3, or Xbox 360. To use this method I am showing you today, you will need all of the following. A Titan 2, which I recommend because you can remap the buttons and it has two USB ports, but we will get into that later. A PS1 or PS2 controller for playing with. This is controller A. Next, you will need a micro USB cable to hook up the Titan 2 to the console. A PlayStation 1 or PlayStation 2 to USB adapter. You can find these for about $2 to $4 on eBay. You can even find ones that support 2 players. The 2-player mode will not be supported when using it with the Titan 2, but maybe you could just use the first player port. Mine only supports 1 controller, but it will get the job done. Next thing you will need is a controller that matches the console you will be playing on. For example, if you are playing on a PS3, then you will want a PS3 controller and the mini USB cable to connect it. If you are on an Xbox 360 or an Xbox One, same thing, you will need the controller and the cable. This is controller B. During this video, I will be using a PlayStation 4, but you can use this same method on any of the supported consoles that I previously stated. Like I said, just use the console of your choosing and match controller B to the console. There are a few reasons why you need controller B. For one, the PS1 or PS2 controllers don't have enough buttons, so you will lose functions. Since the Titan 2 has 2 USB ports that act as a single player, you can control the game with controller A and then use controller B for the menu button, the capture button, or even the microphone jack. PS1 and PS2 don't have a mic, so I do recommend having controller B. You and a friend can actually use the controllers to each control the same character. Before anything else, we need to check the settings on the Titan 2. So take your micro USB cable and plug it into the probe slot on the back of the device, and then the other end into your PC or Mac. Next, you will want to launch your G-Tuner 4 software. If you haven't set it up or installed your Titan 2 yet, I have another video on how to do that, so just look under my other videos and find that. Anyways, once your software is up and running, on the very bottom right corner, you will need to click Device Configuration. Then, near the top, select Output Protocol. I usually select USB Automatic, but if you are having any issues at all, select the console you will be using. Once you select it, it automatically saves. So in the next step, you'll want to click GPC Script IDE. Then, on the top left corner, click File, go down to New, and click Empty GPC Script. Type in a name for the file, anything is fine. I'll just type in test for now. Then copy and paste the script into the blank area. I will post the script as a comment below and pin it to the top. So just look in the comment section. Once you find the script, click device memory slots, then drag and drop to any memory slot of your choice. You can now unplug your Titan 2 and shut down the software. So now, let's get it all hooked up. We want to take our micro USB cable and plug it into the output micro USB port on the back of the Titan 2. Then, the other end into our console, whether it be PlayStation or Xbox. Then, we want to plug the adapter into input A. Then, our PS1 or PS2 controller into the adapter. Next, we want to hook up controller B. Remember, this must match your console. Once you have that hooked up, you can power on the console, and once your console is up and running, you will see the Titan 2 sit on a 0. Select the memory card slot where you put the script, and once you do that, you are ready to go. Here is a quick example on Black Ops 3. The only reason I am choosing this game is because I can test every button to make sure everything works real quick. This will also work on the Titan 1 and the Cronus Max, but because those devices only have one USB port, you will be missing buttons, Therefore, you will be missing functions. If you still want to try, just follow all of the steps in the appropriate software and you're good to go. I am ICC. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Rubber pumping from the back, went beyond the exhibit, then pulled out the rifle, did well cause I hit it, ran through security, jumped in the plane, revved up the motor, smashed through like a crane, flying like a villain, used them all as my runway, from the Capitol to the blue in just one way, outside the plane, got ejected from utensils, headlocked the monument and used it as a pencil, writing on the building, justice for all, armored up Smithsonian and cracked through the wall.